June 2026 is an exciting time for me. I have 10 closings. That is a career all-time high. And I thought I'd do a little recap about what the situation was with each of them. So the first one was in 22033. Beautiful home, kind of on a little bit of a busy road. Wonderful open house, so much positivity. We had 3 offers and accepted an offer over list. The second home was a buyer, and it was in a 55 and over community in Ashburn, so 20148. And we were competing against one other buyer, and my clients got it. The third one was in 22033, single family home, beautiful, great yard, very busy open house. We only had 1 offer. It was over list, but that was a little surprising. So that was a little bit of a downturn on the market. Same neighborhood, 22033. We had a beautiful end unit townhouse. Oh my gosh, the open house was so busy. We did end up with only 1 offer. So again, that was the same weekend. It was a Saturday, was one house, Sunday was a different house. Then we jump over to Sterling, 20164, in an over 55 main level with a loft. Beautiful home, built just 3 years ago, very lightly used. We did have 2 offers. It is an over 55 community, and we did go over list on that one. Then we jump out to Haymarket in Dominion Valley. Those were my buyers. We did compete. It was a pretty high price point. But my buyers got it. So then we jump back to 22033 and a beautiful interior unit townhouse. Again, very busy open house, 1 offer. So that seemed to be a theme in May for us. Then we jump out to South Riding, 20152 Chantilly, and a beautiful, very large home. Higher price point than normal out there. It was on and then it fell out because the original buyer decided not to relocate. And then my clients were able to purchase this home. Then we jumped to Arlington, Lyon Park area, 22201. So pretty close to DC. This was a condo. Condo market, very different world, much slower. And we were able to get a great deal on this 1-bedroom, 1-bath condo, really close to the city. And lastly, we go back to an over 55. So that was 3 over 55s for me in May that will close in June. Again, my buyers, we did compete with 1 offer and great home, and they are thrilled. So that's a little recap of, if you haven't seen me in a while, that's why. We've had a very busy May, and June will be very busy with all the logistics of closing 10 different clients this month. So hope you have a great day, and hopefully this gives you just a good little market snapshot of what's been going on for Cristina, Dougherty and Associates.